there, it's Denise with Ladybug Stampin' here with another video tutorial for you guys today. And I am here today with a cute little box for an Ikea jumbo candle, tea light candle. Now, the box design is not my original design. I actually got it from Poodle's Papercraft, and I'll put a link to her post that I got the size from to create the box. However, the outside of the box is my design. So, and we're using the set Orange Blossom. This is a set that is actually going to be retiring at the end of May. And I just really like it. I haven't used it a whole lot because I didn't get it till a couple months ago. And I just have really fallen in love with this set. So I want to go ahead and show how to use it and create this little box. So, and these little boxes I am giving to some team members for, I do a random gift for 3 of my team members every month so they can get a little treat even if they haven't earned a reward or something like that. So every month I have 3 new ones. So this is what they're getting this month. So let's go ahead and get started. So you're gonna need a 4 1/4 by 7.5 piece of cardstock. I am using Whisper White today because I want to stamp on it. We're going to be using a couple flowers out of here, but we're going to use this flower, this one, these little dots here for this little stem, this stem, and this little piece right here. I've already got them out on blocks and ready to go. Now, a couple colors I'm using that are retiring. I'm using Rose Red, Wisteria Wonder, and Pink Pirouette, and those 3 colors are retiring at the end of May. So they've been in the catalog for quite some time. And so for us to bring some new colors, we had to retire some other ones. So I want to showcase some of those colors that are retiring. Plus we're using Flirty Flamingo and Old Olive. So, okay, so I'm just gonna ink this little flower right here, which is this one right here. And we're just gonna ink it up. And we're gonna stamp randomly, and I literally am stamping randomly around this piece of Whisper White cardstock. I don't want, let's see, one piece right there, okay? And I've got my Stampin' Scrub over here to the left. To the right, to the right, to clean my stamps. Okay, and we're gonna use Wisteria Wonder with the 3 little flower petals right here. And we're just gonna stamp that randomly. Oh, I can hear my desk shake. We recently moved. As you guys, I think I said in a previous video, and I want to purchase an Ikea desk, so I'm using one that I just made with some bookshelves and different things, and so it kind of shakes sometimes. And I've got a little tin plate right there. That's so when I shake or when I stamp, it makes a little bit of noise. So I apologize. Okay, so we're gonna use the first leaf we're going to use is this one right here, and we're using Old Olive for the leaves. So I'm just going to stamp those randomly. I really love this leaf. I can't believe I did not get this set until just recently. I wish I had gotten it earlier. But there's a lot of beautiful ones coming. All right, so we're done with this one here. And then we're gonna use this little stem. And then we're gonna put these little like buds on the top of this. So we're still gonna use Old Olive. And I'm just gonna stamp that. Okay. Let's see. I don't know if I can get one in there. Maybe. We'll put a little one right there. All right. And maybe just a little one right there too. Just a little hair. Okay. So for the little bulbs, we're going to use pink Pirouette. And we're going to go, you're just going to line this up the best you can. And I am doing this while I film, so let's see if I can get them all. So they're just off a little bit, but that's okay. This set almost looks watercolor in a way to me. Like, especially this leaf right here. Definitely could be used. Okay. So let's clean this one here. And then we're going to take our Flirty Flamingo, and we're going to just use this little like, almost looks like a water lily in a way. I don't know why I think that, but that's what it looks like to me. So we're going to use Flirty Flamingo. And we're going to stamp this everywhere, just random, just filling up some of the white spaces. And it's okay if we use this and more than just once. I just thought it would be a nice little piece to add. And it's okay to stamp off the edge of the paper. Okay. Oh, that one maybe been too close, but that's okay. Okay. All righty. Because these are just flowing everywhere. And you could also, if you want, when you stamp, so let's say, well, I'm going to stamp, we'll say right here. You could even stamp off and fill it up too. And just keep stamping. But I really didn't want that look on this particular piece of cardstock, on this box. So, oh, wait, we need the Flirty Flamingo also for our sentiment. And we're going to be using the sentiment, thank you a lot. Because I'm thankful for my team members and all that they do. Okay. So I'm just going to stamp on here. And we're going to punch this out using the 1 1/4. I don't think I cleaned that. The 1 1/4 circle punch. And it does fit. It's kind of tight, but you just have to kind of really look at it. And I'm going to stamp it down just a little bit, like right there. And now what I'm going to do, and I did this with one of my boxes, is I'm actually going to take the old olive again. And I thought I would just put part of this bigger leaf just kind of around the edge. I mean, right on top. Of course, you're not going to see the whole thing. But it almost looks like it's part of the box when you fold it and put it on top. So, okay. So, let's move. Okay, we're going to use that. Now, we're going to use our scoreboard. Okay. And on the long side, which is your 7.5 inch side, you're going to score at 1 inch, 3 1/4, 4 1/4, and 6.5. Then you're going to turn around and you're going to score at 1 inch and 3 1/4. Okay, that's all we need the scoreboard for. And then you're going to take your bone folder and we're going to fold and burnish all the score lines. Okay, so real quick. Alright. I don't know why I always want to fold right there. It doesn't take a fold. Okay. Then we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut our little tabs. And we're cutting the 3 tabs, the 4 corner tabs, and then the one in the middle. They're all little squares, so you can pretty much. And we're also going to notch it out. This helps when you close the box up. Okay. Oh, that's the wrong notch. Oh well, it'll be okay. You just want to notch out these little tabs, the little squares. I got in a hurry and notched out the wrong one. But it's okay. It's okay. It's handmade. That's what I'm gonna keep telling myself, is I think I'm gonna make another one. No, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it alone. Okay, and notch this last one here. Okay, probably notched it a little bit too much. All right, and then I'm gonna use my silicone mat because I just like to use it when I'm using adhesive. And I'm gonna add some fast fuse. You can use, of course, you can use Tombow. But I'm just gonna use this, the stronger adhesive. And I'm putting a piece at the top and a piece at the bottom on these six pieces here. I'll call them the trimmed out squares. So I'm just putting, like running my tape runner right here and then right here against the little flap. So right here. Okay. Now before I do that, I'm gonna use a 3/4 punch. And I know I'm gonna make this the top of my box lid. This is gonna be the lid. So right here, where this is the inch side of it folds over, I'm gonna take my 3/4 inch punch and I'm gonna make a little notch out of it. Cause Sam did, so I said, okay, that works for me. All right, now we're gonna line our box up, sides of our boxes with our little tabs. And fold those in. We have some beautiful designer series paper, but sometimes you just want to make your own designer series, you know, your own paper. Okay, and then that's the box, and then you're going to take your little your jumbo Tealights, not little, your jumbo Ikea Tealight. I can't have a problem saying that tonight. And these smell really good, guys. It's a cute little gift. All right, and then we're going to use some of our Old Olive stitched edge ribbon, and this is retiring as well. So I had some stuff I needed to use and thought, well, let's make something with it. And we're not going to tie a bow or anything. I'm literally just going to tie a knot. But I'm going to leave it on the spool. It's easier for me that way, and I don't waste as much. Okay, and I'm just going to tie a knot. You don't always need a bow. Okay, and we're going to trim our ribbon. All right, and then we're going to take our little sentiment over here our little circle sentiment. We're going to get a dimensional. And I'm just going to put one on the back. It's small enough, you only need one. And then you can just place it anywhere on your box. I'm going to just place it right here. Then you got a little cute gift. You guys, these make cute gift for co-workers or somebody's birthday. Maybe a co-worker's birthday, you don't want to spend a lot of money, but you can give them a little Tealight candle, and they're cute. Okay, and here is the set that we used again. You guys, thanks for stopping by, and if you like any of the products that you see, most of these, well, all of them except for the 2 colors are retiring, and you'll want to get out there before the end of May because it is while supplies last. So if you head over, I have a link to my online store below. All right, thanks. Have a great day. Bye.